Someone posted on an internet site about how fast can you take apart and put together your semi-automatic pistol. And everyone's having fun with it, posting their times and whatever. And then someone comes along and says you can't do it in comfortable conditions with a bench and stuff. You got to do it in adverse conditions, out in the field. So his last post was you got to do it in the dirt, in the dark, and in the rain. Well, I'm not going to subject my pistol to rain, but I will subject myself to dirt. I'm going to subject myself to dark via blindfold. Okay. Now, first I'm going to drag it. Let's just shoot it. It's clear. Boom.